Hello everyone, I Dr. ARUN BHATIA, faculty of MBA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on 4 dimensions of CSR. Now in my last lecture I have given a small definition about what corporate social responsibility is all about. Today I am over here to deliver, talk about the 4 dimensions of CSR. First is discretionary responsibility. That is, it is up to me, up to the organization to decide whether I want to engage myself in any of the outdoor CSR activities. The indoor CSR activities, taking care of my employees, their families, it is my responsibility, which goes without saying. But outside the organization, outside the boundaries of the organization, it is up to me to decide whether I really want to engage myself in any of the CSR activities, such as donation of blood, or construction of roads, or getting the roads clean outside my boundary walls. It is up to me to decide whether I am really interested in doing that as an organization or not. Second is ethical responsibility. Now ethical responsibility means whatever products or services that my organization is offering to the outside world, those are ethical in nature. That means the product, price, place, promotion are well in line, and my products and services are meeting the demands of the market. Third is legal responsibility. Legal responsibility means taking into account all the functions of the legal aspects. That means I am really following the laws of the government, of the state, of the society, and something which I am not offering my products or services which are outside the law. Economic development. By that what I mean to say is, whatever my products and services are being offered is for the betterment of the economic development. So I hope you understand the topic of dimensions of CSR. Thank you very much.